Good morning everyone. Today I'll be discussing the flammable limits. So what is the flammable limit? The flammability explosive limits are the minimum and maximum concentration of a gas or vapor in air which can be ignited and sustain a self-propagating flame. So ano ba yung self-propagating flame? Ito yung type of flame na kayang magpatuloy mag-isa kapag sinindihan mo, hindi na niya kailangan ng ibang external na init para kumalat. Kasi yung heat na galing sa apoy mismo is enough na para sindihan yung mga nasa paligid na fuel or gas mixture. For example, mayroon kang isang gas na kayang masunog tulad ng methane or gasolina. Yung flammable limits is ito yung range kung saan pwede siyang magliyab o sumabog kapag may spark or apoy. So we have two kinds of limits, the lower flammable limit and the upper flammable limit. Lower flammable limit, the minimum concentration of a gas or vapor in air that can ignite when an ignition source is present. Below this limit, the mixture is too lean to burn. So, ang lower flammable limit daw po is ito yung pinakamababang concentration ng gas o vapor sa hangin na pwedeng magliyab kapag mayroong ignition sources tulad ng spark or apoy. Kapag daw po mas mababa sa limit na to, hindi siya magkakaroon ng apoy kasi kulang yung fuel sa mixture. Parang mas marami yung air kaya hindi siya enough para magkaroon ng fire. Kaya tinatawag din itong too lean to burn. So para po mas maintindihan natin, naglagay po ako ng example.
Natural gas burns, produces a nice blue flame. The air and the gas mixes to produce this nice blue heating flame. If I take that off, nothing happens. You still have the sparks, but nothing happens. Now if I take a tin, an ordinary paint tin, put it over the top there, and I'll now turn on the gas. Initially, the gas concentration is quite low. It's 0. And as you add more gas, the concentration builds up until eventually it becomes flammable. At that point, it becomes explosively flammable. And this is a nice demonstration of the lower explosive limit for methane.
So as we saw in the experiment, methane gas only burns within a specific range or yung tamang sukat lang. Kung masyadong konti o sobrang dami ng gas, hindi ito mag-aapoy. Pero pag na-reach na niya yung tamang level, like yung lower explosive limit, pwede siya mag-cause ng pag-explode or pagsabog. Next is the upper explosive limit, the maximum concentration of a gas or vapor in air that can ignite. Above this limit, the mixture is too rich to burn, too much fuel or not enough oxygen. So, ito naman yung pinakamataas na concentration na gas na pwede pa naman magliyab, pero kung sobrang dami na ng gas, almost na puro gas yung nandun sa concentration na yun, is hindi siya mag-aapoy kasi kulang na sa oxygen. So, para po mas maintindihan natin, here's the video clip po na kung saan na may actual example po ng upper flammable limit.
Okay, so this is the upper explosive limit. Using my trusty paint can, this time I've got a small hole in the end here. And the first stage is to fill it with methane. So I just push it slowly without sparking. Notice it doesn't spark now, and that's because it's now full of methane. Okay. So you can see the flame burning. What's happening is the methane that's inside the can is rising because it's lighter than air coming out the top, and as it comes out the top, air is coming in at the bottom. So what started off as pure methane, the air is coming in and mixing with the methane, and the methane concentration is decreasing from 100% coming down. And as it gets down lower, the flame gets smaller and smaller. Until eventually, still burning. Still burning. Always gets me, that one. And now we've reached, it's gone down to hit the upper explosive limit.
So, nakita natin sa video kung paano nag-aapoy yung methane gas kapag nahaluan na siya ng air. So, kung napansin nyo, yung lata is pinuno muna ng methane. So, kahit anong gawin doon sa may lata is hindi siya nag-aapoy dahil wala siyang oxygen. Pero pag yung methane is lumabas na siya doon sa may lata at nahaluan na ng air, mag-aapoy na siya. So habang nadadagdagan ng hangin is unti-unti namang nababawasan yung methane. So hanggang dumating dun sa may point na hindi na siya mag-aapoy kasi umabot na siya dun sa may upper explosive limit. So basically, methane only burns in a certain range. Kaya importante nating malaman kung nasaan yung safe limit. To sum it up po, yung flammable limits is ito yung range ng gas o vapor sa hangin na pwedeng magliyab or mag-explode kapag may ignition source. Yung lower flammable limit naman po is ito yung pinakamababang concentration ng gas para mag-apoy. And yung upper flammable limit is ito naman yung pinakamataas na concentration na pwedeng mag-apoy paglampas. Pero paglampas sa limits na to is hindi na siya mag-aapoy kahit may spark pa. So, importanteng malaman ito para maiwasan natin yung mga aksidente tulad ng mga pagsabog or sunog.